Vimeo is a popular video hosting platform designed for professionals offering high-quality video hosting, customization, and advanced analytics. Inshallah, this video about is how to track embed Vimeo videos with Google Analytics 4 using JavaScript listener code. Navigate Google Tag Manager account, then tag New, tag configuration, and scroll down and select custom HTML. Now place your custom HTML. I put this custom HTML code link in the description below so that you can easily copy and paste. Then scroll down and triggering. Basically we select all pages so that no matter which page the Vimeo video is on, the tag will fire when visitor interacts with the video. However, if you want, you can select the specific page where your video is located. Let's the tag name. Then save. Navigate to preview. Make sure here your website link. Then connect. Now play Vimeo video. Move tag assistant and continue. We see here video event. Let's go API. We find out video title, video percent, video action, video provider, and event video. Now we navigate Google Tag Manager. Then move trigger, new, trigger configuration, then custom event. Move to tag assistant. Now we trigger this event. Remember, you have to trigger this event exactly as it is. Even slightly change like using uppercase or any variation won't work. Just copy this event as it is. Then back to Google Tag Manager and paste here. Let's the name trigger. Then save. Now we create tag, new, tag configuration, Google Analytics GA4 event. Input here GA4 measurement ID. Then event name. Event parameters, add parameter. Back to tag assistant and pick up this parameter. Now we need to all of event parameter create data layer variable. Let's go. Click on plus icon, again plus icon, configuration, data layer variable. Go back tag assistant and copy this as it is. Let's name the variable. Then save. Also for video title, click on plus icon, again plus icon, configuration, and data layer variable. Back to tag assistant, copy video title and paste here. And also let's the name variable. Then save. And same way video provider. Also for video action event, click on plus icon, configuration, data layer, and variable name. Then save. Then triggering. Select the GA4 Vimeo video status trigger. Now let's the tag name. Then save. Let's check our tag work properly. Go to preview and continue. Now play our Vimeo video. GA4 Vimeo video status tag fired. And also here, go to GA4, admin, then debug view. Also here. That's it.